Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can add a star shape to your designs and interface projects on Figma. So let us get started. So as you can see guys, I added a star symbol or shape like this one here to that page of my website interface project. Let me just delete it and show you each step of the process, just like that. So what you want to do is access your project or interface design on Figma. And let me, for example, add a simple star icon or symbol. To do that, head over to that panel at the bottom and click into that arrow down icon next to the current shape. As you can see, currently the star shape is selected, but on default it should be on rectangle. So if you see the rectangle icon here, click into that arrow down icon and select star from the drop down menu. After that, simply left click, hold your left mouse and release it to draw a star like this, or just like that. To stabilize it, simply press and hold left shift on your keyboard. That is going to provide you with a star shape like this, just like that. And there you go. Now you can move it around, for example, or change adjust its size, rotate it, and so on and so forth. Let me just resize it a bit. And there you go. So what you want to do next, guys, is simply pay attention to that panel here on the right hand side, and here under appearance you may customize your star symbol. You may change the opacity, or you may change the corner radius, or you may change the color under fill here. Click on that into that color rectangle here and select your preferred color. So let me go with like a color like this one here. You may also adjust its opacity here to make it slightly transparent. There you go. Now as you can see, it blends at least partially into the background image, just like that. So what you want to do next, guys, is customize the points of, or add more points to that star. As you can see, currently it is 5 pointed, or it features 5 points. To change that, simply click into count here, delete the 5 and add your, or enter, type in your custom points like 8, for example, press enter, and there you go. Now that star features 8 points, just like that. So what you want to do after that, guys, is click into ratio here and adjust your stars ratio. You may also left click into that edge of that ratio box here, left click, hold your left mouse till you see that double-headed arrow icon, and move your mouse to the left or to the right to adjust your stars ratio. As you can see, now let me select a ratio like this one here, or if I go to the very left, a ratio like this, and there you go. Now it looks like, now the star icon looks like this. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you can edit, customize, and make a star shape in Figma. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.